To test for uniformity with the SonIQ Uniformity ultrasound phantom, first select the appropriate settings on your ultrasound system. Preferably, this would be a uniformity setting. Once ready, generously apply ultrasound gel to the surface of the phantom. When ready to scan, take your ultrasound probe and press it firmly into the surface of the phantom. Spread the gel evenly, and this should generate a uniform image. Any non-uniformities will show signs of transducer damage or damaged cables or any other faults within your ultrasound system. Once you have completed testing, use a safe non-alcohol based wipe or other tissues and water to clean the surface of the phantom.